Hey guys, this is Kanisha and today I will give you about complete description of mechanical engineering. So the student who are willing to take engineering, most of them take mechanical. So I decided to first give you the video which which gives the complete description what and how mechanical engineer works. So why to wait? Let's dive into my computer screen and let's start. So hey guys, this is my computer screen and you can see major students opt for mechanical engineering because it is the oldest and broadest stream in engineering field. So let's see what is the definition of mechanical engineering. What it is. It applies principles of engineering, physics and material science, design analysis, manufacture and maintenance of mechanical system. This is the whole definition of mechanical engineering which I got from Wikipedia. But in this video I will not share the definition, not only the definition, but I will share you more than that. Stay with me, stay connected. So who can do mechanical engineering? The person who loves to do work on field rather than in cabin whole time, they can try it on mechanical engineering, because most of the mechanical engineers have to work on field rather than in cabin. So who wants to understand core concepts of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, kinetics, etc., whole lot of things. I will tell you the subjects which will come in mechanical engineering in the future. So who loves to work with machines, gas, oh my god, they can try it on mechanical engineering. So why to do mechanical engineering? The first question arises, there are lot of courses, but why to select mechanical? So the reason behind is that it is called the mother of all engineering courses. Mechanical engineer has given birth to all the branches which is available today. So concepts are applied in process of designing, testing, maintaining and manufacturing. So it opens a broad spectrum for this, in case of scope. When you say a scope, who has highest scope in engineering courses, the name comes mechanical engineering. So let's start. Yes, I will start with the important FAQs part 1. So let's see first question which arises in people's mind. What are the various sectors, types of industries in which mechanical engineers can be absorbed? This is the most important question, and the answer to that is manufacturing industries, maintenance work, automobile manufacturing maintenance industry, refrigeration, air conditioning, aviation industry. These are just a gist. There are more industries in which you can work, in which a mechanical student can work. So the people who loves to do wants to serve defense forces, can a mechanical engineer can be absorbed in defense forces? Yes, they can. There is a separate unit in defense where you can serve them as a proud mechanical engineer. Serve them as a proud mechanical engineer and tell others that yes, I am proud to be a mechanical engineer and I serve Indian forces. So what is the third question? So is there any placement opportunities available after completing BTech? BTech means 4 years. Yes, there are opportunities are plenty in unending, because the first reason I said at the first is it has a broadest sector. It is oldest and broadest. I will tell you which all companies will hire you. First, let's see the subjects which will you overcome in your 4 years academy. So first is applied mechanics, in which the subjects like strength of materials, theory of machines, engineering mechanics, this all will come. Second is thermal science. It all includes about thermodynamics, heat and mass transfer, fluid mechanics. Then manufacturing, it of course it's manufacturing process. Then in advance, when you reach semester 6, 7, 8, then you will have to learn all these sort of things: automobile engineering, power plant engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, IC engines. And in terms of drawing, which is based on designing, then it is engineering drawing and CAD CAM. So what are the software which you use for as a mechanical engineer? It is the most interesting question. Many ask them what software. So here is an answer. So first thing, for designing, the software used are AutoCAD, which is for drafting and two-dimensional drawing, which deals with only two-dimensional drawing. Creo and SolidWorks and Kesha are these all three are advanced solid modeling, and which is used to build 3D designs, which works for when we used to build, when we wants to design which is a 3D model, we can use that. So second is analysis software, in which many mathematical modeling and which can be used. The software is MATLAB. Third thing is, yes, mechanical engineers also deals with coding. So the first is Python, then Java, then C++. Python is rarely used. It is generally used when there is a complex problem, and Java and C++ are most extreme. So what are the job profiles for mechanical engineers? You can serve like research and development. You can serve as a design engineer, as production engineer. You can serve by analyzing any machines and testing it. Installation and maintenance. Maintenance and installation are the most common thing in mechanical engineering field. So let's go for FAQs part 2. So what are some of the top companies that hire mechanical engineer with respect to all the placement question? So it is divided into, first is private. The top recruiters are Maruti Suzuki, L&T, Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, Infosys, TCS. Second is defense, of course DRDO, and third is public or PSUs. So BAIL, GAIL, BPCL, ONGC, these are all the prestigious PSUs in which they can recruit you. So what are the opportunities for students passing out without specialization? So here's a tricky question. It's okay to do not specialization, but competition is very heavy because many of them opt for mechanical engineer, and if you don't have any specialization, then you cannot get an edge from others. So industries will require skilled employees rather than just a passed out mechanical engineer. Sorry for that. So let's talk about salary. I have a link here. Let's get 1 minute. See here, average mechanical engineer salary in India is rupees 3,50,556. You can check it out here. Payscale.com is a website. You can check it. I will give a link in the description if you want it. So here are some of the recruiters which can hire you. Let's see all employers. So here are the all companies. You can see here. Let's go on second page. So these are all the companies which can probably hire you if you choose as a mechanical engineer course. Let's go. What are the link to other branches? Doing mechanical engineering is a way through in which you can go through automobile sector, aviation, which is aeronautics and aerospace, robotics, energy, and these are a very short term. You can go in very vast region if you choose mechanical engineering. But the problem arises that when we choose mechanical engineering, some says that we don't get any higher, or what we say, we don't get any employment, we don't get any placement from colleges even if we choose mechanical engineering. So the problem is that when a mechanical engineer, there are two persons, let's say there is one person which has done mechanical engineering without any specialization, but there is another guy who has the knowledge of mechanical engineering, but it also has the skills of little bit about coding or IoT concepts, because industries now are looking for automation, because they want an extra person, they want a employee who can give his or her company a more productive. If you have only mechanical skills, then they should hire another person who has some coding or IoT concept skills. But if only one person can show both his skills, then it is an advantage to industry, and that person has more probability for joining. So hey guys, this was all about from my side. I've created a content which can help you. I've tried my best. I have tried my best to analyze all the questions which I can do, and I have tried to give the answers to you. So these were all from my side. Even if there is any questions left, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and please do share, because this in COVID-19 lockdown period, it is the best time to share the knowledge to other person whoever needs it. So whoever you think, either be your friends or any brother, sister, anything, please share it, and click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell, so in future you will get be notified whenever I will post a new video, a new knowledgeable video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.